See, Sadashiva explains this whole science of enlightenment and manifesting the experience and powers. Let me give you the first understanding. No power is a power, it is only the confirmation of your oneness with that object. Listen. See, for example, if you are able to stop the wind or make the rain shower, it is not your power over the wind or your power over the rain. It is your oneness over the wind, it is your oneness over the rain. Listen carefully. This truth is very important. Preliminary lesson for manifestation of power. Because if you believe when you stop the wind, it is power over the wind, you will become arrogant, abusive, egoistic. If you believe when you stop the wind, it is the oneness with the wind, you will have so much of love and friendliness with the wind. And the wind will reveal deeper secrets about himself to you. Because friend means who are exploring the deeper sides of each other continuously. Who are exploring deeper, beautiful sides of each other continuously is friend. When you approach each power, for example, third eye, don't have that attitude of conquering third eye. No. No. Actually, when I awaken your Kundalini, if you just sincerely observe, you will see how sweetly I will be calling Shambhavi. I am not conquering your Kundalini. With tremendous friendliness, I am calling, E Pranapriye, E Atmapriye, Devi, please wake up. Understand, first and foremost lesson to manifest any power is not power over others, power is oneness over others. Unfortunately, your unconscious mind always tends to think. Naturally, you will be pushed to manipulate, to control. Manipulation is not manifestation. That is the difference between the black magic and white magic. Yes, even by manipulation, you can have power over nature and people, but it will be only for very limited time. Understand? Every time you play with the wind, either stopping or agitating or aggravating with the mood of oneness, you will gain more and more power over the wind. Wind will reveal more and more of its secrets to you, more and more of its feelings to you. He will sit with you and confess to you. He will sit and talk to you. Hanuman was my son. See, when I gave birth to him, and this is what has happened. And this kid is so powerful. He went and tried to swallow the sun. I have to go and mediate. He will sit and tell you all his stories. He will sit and open up himself to you. Understand, when you are dealing things with oneness, there will be more and more of friendliness and openness. You can deal with the wind with a manipulating attitude. Yes, it is possible, but only few times. Within few times, you will develop incompletion with the wind, and the wind will just slap on your face. 2-3 times he will act as if he is listening. When you are going for a demo or important situation, he will pull your leg. He will just ditch you and run away. All power, listen, all power has to be from oneness.